Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Greg Michalowski, and this is a technical look at the sterling versus US dollar. Today's date is August 25th, 2014, beginning of the new trading week. I'll remind everybody that if you want to see more of these videos, simply subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking this button here. And if you want more information on trading, foreign exchange, or what Greg Mike FX, that's me, Greg Michalowski, is up to, you can click in your email or put in your email here and visit me daily at gregmikefx.com. All right, let's get into the sterling versus US dollar. We'll start by looking at the daily chart here. And the trend to the upside here started in July of 2015, took the price from 148 all the way up to 172. That's a pretty big move to the upside here on a nice little trend move. Over the last month and a half, the market, actually about a month, the market's been moving lower, breaking below trend line first, breaking below the another trend line here, and then the 100-day moving average. In last week's trading, the market fell below the 200-day moving average. That's the green line in this chart right here, and that was another step in the downward direction, in the correction direction for this currency pair. If that trend were to continue, we would look for further momentum below this trend line here, connecting most recent lows in this channel. And we look for a move toward our low price going back to the month of March. That level came in at the 164.58, and then we have the 38.2% retracement of the March higher from July of last year to the high that we saw in July of this year, and that level comes in at 162.81.4. Those are targets. Those are real targets for the sterling versus US dollar as the pair starts to lose some of its bullishness that we had over the last year, and we just get a corrective move in that pair toward a more neutral level, or a more level that favors a little bit more the dollar than the pound sterling, since the dollar, the U.S. economy is getting a little bit better as well. Taking a look at the hourly chart, we did gap to the downside and move below low prices that we saw on Thursday and Friday. Thursday's low price came in at the 165.63 level, and on Friday the low price came in at 165.60. Now we are currently trading right around that 165.60 level right now, after trading at the lows in the first hour of trading down 165.34. So a nice steady move to the upside here in the pound versus US dollar, testing the prior lows. We'll see if the market can hold that level and move further to the downside. If it doesn't, if we get a further move higher here in the pair, and it's all very possible, I would look for a test of the 165.77 level, and then ultimately a look toward the 100-hour moving average. We moved below the 100-hour moving average earlier in last week's trading, and really haven't, we tested it here, but haven't gotten close to it since this day right here on Thursday's trade. So as the 100-hour moving average starts to move lower, we may come up down toward the high price that we saw on Friday's trade, and that might be another level that market traders are going to have to prove that they can take the price above, take it above the 100-hour moving average, take it above the high prices that we saw on Friday. So right now we're seeing a little bit more bullishness here, looking to move above the lows from Thursday and Friday. That's step one. The next step would be to get above the trend line here at the 75 level, and then start to move toward the high prices from Friday and the 100-hour moving average. On the downside, if the market's not able to extend higher here and get above this trend line, we would look for a rotation further to the downside, with the 164.58 level being the next key target on the downside this week, followed by the 38.2% retracement at 168.81. My name is Greg Michalowski. Once again, if you like these videos, be sure to click subscribe on the YouTube channel. If you want more information about trading, foreign exchange, go to my website daily at gregmikefx.com. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.